Hello, in this video we're gonna see the articles, the indefinite articles a and an. But before of that, let's check the alphabets. As we know, we have 26 letters, 21 consonants and 5 vowels. The consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z, whereas the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. Now, let's see these examples. What's this? What's this? This is a ruler. This is a ruler. A ruler. And what's this? What's this? This is an arc ruler. This is an arc ruler. An arc ruler. So here we notice the use of the articles a and an. A and an. For example, a ruler, an arc ruler. Ruler. It starts with the consonants R. That's why we use the article a. A ruler, a ruler. Arc ruler starts with a vowel, A, so we use an arc ruler. We conclude that the article A goes with words starting with consonants, whereas the article an goes with words starting with vowels. For example, we say a book, a cat, a dog, a pen, a zebra. But also we say an apple, an elephant, an insect, an orange, an umbrella. Look at these. We say a house, a horse, but an hour, because the H is mute. Don't forget that the articles a and an go just with singular words. For example, a book, books, an arc ruler, arc rulers. Well, to sum up, we use the article a with words starting with consonants and with words starting with vowels. Both of them are used with singular. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.